Are you looking for the best wood routers for professionals? In your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best wood routers for professionals that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Dewalt DWP611PK Variable Speed Combo Kit. If your workshop doesn't have much space to work around in, then this amazing wood router model from Dewalt may just be the perfect solution for all your wood shaping needs. It's moderately priced with a compact and portable design, so you can either carry it around with you or use it in a shop that has limited space. What impressed us the most about the Dewalt DWP611PK is the variable speed function that it comes with. By using the speed trigger, you will be able to change the motor rotation from 16,000 revolutions per minute all the way to 27,000 revolutions per minute very easily. So, if you have a lot of different jobs lined up from smaller ones to bigger ones, then this wood router will help you make quick work of all of them. The speed settings are what make this model so very versatile and a must-have for professional as well as amateur woodworkers. The router comes with some convenient lighting features as well. The design includes 2 separate LED lights, which are mounted near the base. This will help you out on the jobs where you need to work in tighter, poorly lit places. Up next in the 4th place is the Bosch 18617 EVSP Wood Router Combo Kit. As we have mentioned above, the best part of the Bosch 18617 EVSP is its versatility and the wide range of uses that you can put it through. But apart from the different wood shaping methods, the other aspect of this wood router that impressed us a lot was the 12-amp motor that it houses. The motor alone is capable of providing a significant amount of torque and cutting power to make the toughest of jobs look and feel much easier. It comes with a lot of user-friendly features as well and runs at a constant RPM, so you can focus on the task at hand and not be constantly worried about holding down on the activation trigger. Durability is also another aspect that helps make this wood router to be a great travel companion. As the base is made with high-quality aluminum, the router is much lighter than it looks and can withstand the wear and tear of daily rough use. The 3rd product on our list is the Triton TRA001. The Triton TRA001 is the ideal entry-level wood router and has been a fan favorite for a lot of domestic woodworkers for years now. The router is very easy to maintain, and if you ever need to adjust it in any way, then all you need is a good wrench, and you're good to go. Overheating is one issue that plagues power tools like wood routers a lot, and is a major concern for a lot of the woodworkers out there. Now, the Triton TRA001 will hardly ever heat up. It is designed to support multiple vents, which are cleverly placed all over its body. The vents also make sure that the wood dust doesn't have any access to any of the sensitive electrical components and ruin the internal mechanism of the router. Second on our list is the Makita RT0701CX7. Though one of the most budget-friendly models on the market today, the Makita RT0701CX7 1/4 GP by no means compromises on its quality and reliability. One of the router's most prominent features is the slow start component, which is just the perfect feature for those who are still quite new to using power tools. This component will allow one to ease into the full power of the tool and not allow it to go full throttle from the start, thereby significantly improving the overall handling of the router and preventing accidents that may have occurred otherwise. Additionally, the speed of the Makita RT0701CX7 1/4 GP is also monitored electrically and made to be as consistent and as reliable as possible. Its body is slim as well, and compact with a great lightweight rating, so you can very easily carry it around with you. Finally, the top product on our list is the Ridgid R2401 Laminate Trim Wood Router. When using the Ridgid R2401 for ourselves, we just fell in love with the customizable cut feature, which lets us access it with the use of a very convenient and refined adjustment dial. The body is made to be compact and lightweight, so that you can carry it around with you anywhere you go. There is a quick release lever as well, which will allow you to remove bits from the tool easily and keep it clean without having to take it in for maintenance every now and then. The bit housing is pretty solid and made out of lightweight aluminum, which is tough and durable, and you can subject it through frequent rough use without having to worry about it much. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.